This is Yanshree. I'm a student of ACE English Club and I'm at the center with my hardworking and supporting teammates. Actually, we are going to do outdoor activities and we are going to Zoological Park Patna. And our departure time is 10 a.m. Thank you.
This is Satpal Rana. We are from ACE English Club. We left the center at 10 a.m. and it's 10:40 and we are at the Zoological Park Patna with my team members. So let me introduce you with my all team members.
Vishal, Sarabjit, Divakar, Kunal, Rishi.
Neha, Pooja, Ragini, Seetha, Prachi, Yanshi.
Satpal.
Crocodile are not here. So search a snake zoo. But at the inn, I see a snake. And so it is a very large space. Zoo has a very large. Like I'm from Delhi. I'm from Delhi. Question?
Yeah, what is the name first?
My name is Sreekant Verma. Sreekant Verma. Sasaram. Sasaram GNA.
So, your first question is, where are you from?
I am from West Bengal.
Okay. What are you think about this place?
Mind blowing.
Nice. Sir, in this location of this zoo is correct or not? Because there is an airport to next to it, and while you are facing more problem like sound vibration and sound frequency. So what's the opinion, sir?
When I arrived here, I didn't hear any sound of aeroplane because I don't know where is airport. And I'm from Patna Junction. I came from Patna Junction. I take a bus. Bus take me 11 rupees ticket, and I arrived here. So I didn't think that it's a very much problem. It's a little bit small problem, not a big problem.
No, it's totally about for animals.
Animals.
Yes, because next to it is airport, and animals are facing lots of problem like
That can
sound
be an
echo.
issue. That can be an issue, but I didn't know about that because I'm first time here visiting, so I don't know so much about this. But my first visit is good.
Sir, one more question.
Yes.
There are many people disturbing wild animal.
Yes.
What do you suggest them to not disturb any wild animal? So what's your opinion, sir?
There's a board.
Yes, sir.
I saw that written, "Don't feed the animals."
Yeah.
So please don't feed the animals. What they say, I don't know, but don't feed the animals. Don't feed the animals. And a board will go on.
Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping.
Thank you.
I'm Nayan Singh. Dean Academics, Oxford Business School of Patna.
What kind of changes do you think?
See, last year when we visited, many things was not there. Like snake room has been developed in new manner. Many we find. We also visit seen tigers. Last time it was not there. We just entered today. So let us visit entire zoo. Then we will be.
So, sir, you have visited before, sir.
Many times.
So, please tell me about the experience that you have visited and what kind of changes you have seen here.
See, last time a bit less animals was there.
Okay.
Infrastructure, if we talk about, then darkness were more.
Darkness was more.
This time they have developed their infrastructure,
Okay, sir.
and definitely the cleanness, the smelling, these all negative smelling, these are the problems has been rectified.
Yes, sir. So, are you satisfied with the management team or?
Definitely.
Yeah, are you satisfied? So,
Please develop more.
yes, there are also, you can see the electrical vehicle here. So,
Vehicles are there since 3 to 4 years. Usually once in a year we used to visit with the kids so they can entertain. Just before a day, my son is at some parents. Just before a day, half yearly examinations were completed. So the environment is also good. So we take decision to let us move to this.
You are happy with this place.
Yes.
So, what are your favorite animal that you have spotted?
Right now we are looking for the animal ride to our kids. Let us see whether elephant is available or not. When we will reach that block, then we will come to know. And it is also a children park. That is very much attractive for the kids.
There are also some fish house and snake house. Have you visited?
Fish house, snake house, boating park. Yeah, boating is also one of the very attractiveness. There is a one jhula like that. Like Lakshman Jhula, we have a very small kind of jhula.
There are also a
But
fountain in that
children
pond.
used to enjoy very much.
Thank you, sir. We are so much satisfied with this.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Our target is to speak in English. So,
Yeah, sure, you can.
so I'm asking like in a nearby there is having airport, okay? So there might be having disturbance of animals.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
Yeah, I think it's too disturbing because as a person, we also feel disturbance when aeroplane goes up.
Yeah.
Even behind it, इको पार्क तो थोड़ा दूर भी है, फिर भी वहाँ से भी ऐसा होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस फील होता है.
And one more thing is that like wildlife conservation is having in the city. What do you think about it? Like, is it good for animals or it's a bad? Like in a city, it doesn't give any sense to conserve any animal in a cage and in between
it's
the
a
city.
kind of you are keeping animals for entertainment of people.
Yeah.
It's not like genuine thing.
Yeah.
I think. तो ये कोई सेंस नहीं बनता. लाइक जो ओपन एरिया होता है जहाँ पे एनिमल्स होते हैं खुल के घूम रहे हैं, उनकी लाइफ का पैटर्न है वो चल रहा है, तो वो कंजर्वेशन है ना. ये तो इनका पैटर्न चेंज कर दिया, आप इसको स्लेव बना दिए, तो वो चीज़ें सही नहीं है.
Exactly. So, is there having your better experience from childhood to right now? Yes.
बस बचपन से बदला यही है कि बस जानवर आते हैं जाते हैं, थोड़ा पेड़ ज़्यादा हो गया है, थोड़ा सा सफाई ज़्यादा रहता है. That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Nothing changed. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This is Satpal Rana. We have done all the activities successfully and it's 3:10 and we are about to leave the zoological park.
Hey Radhe. Hello at top of the morning to you all. This is Ayush Rajput and today I am leading a team whose name is the Loyal Leopards and my teammates are Sameer,
Sonam Kumar and Vaidehi Sen.
Ayush, Bittu, and Tarun Yadav, Prashant, Dhanji Singh, Sarvajit, and this is Ashish, Harshit, and my cameraman is Yuvraj Kishore. We are going to do our outdoor practice in Patna Zoo, and in further clips I will show you our means of transportation and the time when we depart from here. Thank you. Hello, we have departure from our Center Ace English Club at 10:15 and we are going with auto. As you can see, our teammates and I hope and please stay connected with us. Thank you. Hello guys, this is your cameraman. We are going towards our destination and right now I am going to ask some experiences from these people. So, how are you feeling right now? Excited. How are you feeling right now, bro? I am feeling good. And good traveling too. Let's keep tracking this video with us.
Jai Shri Ram.
As you are capable enough to see us that we have reached in the zoo and it's 10:45 and now we are going inside the zoo to do outdoor practice. Thank you. As I have mentioned before that we have reached at Patna Zoo and now we are going to collect the tickets. Stay connected with us. Thank you. Right now they are all busy in their own gossip.
Hello, good morning, uncle.
Good morning.
This is Yuvraj, and I am from AS English Club, and I want to ask some particular question about your experiences about this zoo.
Yeah.
Are you comfortable to answer?
Yeah, sure. Please ask.
Okay. My first question is, can we come with our family in this zoo?
Yeah, we should come with our family only. I'm with my daughter and my son. So we can come. We should come with family only. We can enjoy more in the zoo. Yeah.
Have you ever been to another zoo rather than this zoo?
Yeah, I visited one more zoo in Hyderabad, and that zoo is quite good only. But here I am finding that the animals are quite familiar with you. The particular bond where they are keeping them, they are shorter. That's why animals are very close to you. You can see the animals from closer view, like zebra. You can see the zebra from very close here. I remember in Hyderabad, I was standing here, and zebra was some 300 meters from me. So it was very difficult for me to track the zebra for me and my daughter. So I think this is a better zoo.
And actually, would you please tell me the big difference between this zoo and that zoo?
There's not that difference. All animals are there also. Animals are there also. I think all animals that we are finding here. This time I am finding that few animals are missing. Like white tiger, I find last time. White tiger is not there. Tiger also I didn't find. Maybe I missed the tiger. Otherwise they are quite similar.
Okay. What do you want to give a suggestion to improve this zoo?
We should keep it clean. That's it. We should keep it clean. We should keep it hygienic. We should keep it more better for family so that the family can move here. We should keep fair activities. That's it.
Thank you, uncle. Have a nice day.
Hello, sir. I am Vaidhi Singh. I am from AS English Club, and we got a task from my teachers to talk with strangers. So, are you interested?
इंटरेस्टेड है. मेरा नाम अभिषेक कुमार है. हम पटना से ही हैं. अब
So, what is your experience about zoo?
पटना जू का ये कि अच्छा है, लेकिन मतलब जो कहते हैं अदर स्टेट्स है तो उतना अभी डेवलपमेंट नहीं है. अभी होना इसको बहुत चाहिए इसको. जैसे अभी भी हेलीपैड है, सम टाइगर या लायन इस समय तो अभी इसको चाहिए. बहुत लोग हैं कि अभी देखने के लिए तो नहीं होता है. जैसे अदर स्टेट में होता है वैसा नहीं है. और जैसा खाने उने के लिए तो जो बाहर का है वो अंदर से थोड़ा सा कॉस्टली है.
What is your experience about food inside of the zoo?
मतलब जू के अंदर जो फूड है उसका एक्सपीरियंस आप क्या देना चाहते हैं उसमें?
यहाँ का ठीक है, एक कैफ़े की तरह है.
It means price is high or
हाई कॉस्टली.
it's a cost?
हाँ, बाहर जो होता है इसके थ्रू अंदर में कॉस्टली है.
Okay. And what do you think about disappearing animals? Just like lots of birds and snakes.
स्नेक्स
मतलब जो वर्ड इस गायब हो रहे हैं मतलब यहाँ से जो वर्ड सब गायब हो रहे हैं उसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
तो वो तो अब विलुप्त हो रहे हैं. उसका जो पर्यावरण हो रहा है उसका जो होना चाहिए वो नहीं मिल रहा है उसको. जैसे पानी होना चाहिए समय से तो वो नहीं मिल रहा है उसको. रहने पीने खाने पीने का वो सब नहीं मिल रहा है.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
बढ़ रहा है.
Hi, good morning, sir. I am Prashant from AS English Club. And what's your name?
मुन्ना कुमार गुप्ता.
How was your experience in the zoo? मतलब आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या था जू में आज?
बहुत अच्छा था, बढ़िया था.
How was your day today? मतलब आज आपका दिन कैसा था?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया है. और मेरा बच्चा का ये 5 साल का बच्ची हो गई, मेरी बेटी है. ये इसी के लिए हम जू में आए हैं, घुमाने के लिए इसको. आज इसका बर्थडे है.
What other things you want to change in the zoo?
मतलब आप विकास के लिए क्या करना चाहते हैं, क्या बताना चाहते हैं?
क्या
विकास के लिए क्या बताना चाहते हैं?
इसके विकास के लिए?
हाँ.
इसके विकास के लिए तो सरकार ना ध्यान देगी.
आपका भी कुछ राय होगा वो बता दीजिए.
इसमें क्या राय है, इसमें थोड़ा और मतलब जो एनिमल्स या बर्ड्स होते हैं ना, इसको कुछ और मतलब लाकर इसमें रखा जाए विकास के लिए.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर.
Now we are departing from zoo after doing the outdoor practice and it's 3:10 p.m. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.